Hello, my favorite entrepreneurs. Can you believe it is the last day of the year? I'm waiting for my husband to pick something up for our bar, and I was like, let me just make a quick video. So I want to talk to you about what are you going to do next year? And in my group coaching today, we planned it out. We talked about what we need to do today or soon, inventory-wise, business-wise, setting up a folder in your Google Drive. Make sure you have all your forms in there for your taxes, maybe utilizing QuickBooks. It's fabulous. And we talked about what we're going to do in the new year. How many hours are we going to work? And I'll tell you what, you don't have to work as many hours as you think you have to. I'm thinking maybe 4 hours a week, or a little more if you choose, and set yourself up for success with automation and systems, because otherwise you're working. Sorry, my arm hurts so bad. I pulled the luggage. Anyway, I don't think you have to work as many hours as you probably think you need to. So maybe 4 hours a week, 10 minutes a day, focusing on your follow-up. If you're using your Beauty Biz Hub, your Travel Biz Hub, your Small Biz Hub, you have all of your things in place. You just look on your opportunities and you know exactly what you have to focus on. But seriously, get your systems in place. I would tell you that if you have a clear plan of what you have to do each day, you could be making money in the next 5 days after setting it up. But I see people who spend years and years focusing on this one thing they feel like they have to do in their business, but they're forgetting maybe they're trying to make something pretty or build a website, and they could have just got a mentor who could have helped them, or they could have hired someone, right? But people are spending so much time. You're wasting time, really, is what it is. So I would say that my hope and wish for all of you for 2026 is that you get your systems in place. You know, I've created the Blessing Method. It's a simple 5-step program. Just follow it, and in 5 days you can change your business. You know, my course, I'm gonna sneeze, hold on. Thank you. Sorry. Oh my goodness, sorry. My course is coming up. Every time I teach it, if you're part of it, you get it for free. So if you already have the Blessing Method course, it's one of the best things I've ever taught. They're like 7-minute videos. So, you know, I'm in Jamaica. You know how loud it is? Sorry, guys. Oh, it's called Town Pride. So they drive around in their car with the blaring of the, like, telling you about different events. So sorry about that. Anyway, it teaches you how to set up your systems, right? How to set up your social media to attract people into your space, how to have a survey, how to make a survey, what to do with a survey, how to have an appointment from the survey, whether it's virtual or in person, how to sell 3 to 5 times as much as you had been. That is totally proven. I've helped thousands and thousands of people, okay? How to recruit if you want to each time, and how to gain 5 referrals each time. And these are referrals that are good. They want to work with you. They're going to fill out their survey, and they're going to put themselves on your calendar, and it's so simple. And then how to retain everyone on automation. So it's a very simple 5-step process. So that course is launching at the end of January. So if you want to be a part of it while I teach it live, you'll also have lifetime access to it. You'll have a Facebook community where you can ask me any questions, and every time I teach it live, you will have access again. So it's called Blessing Method. So it's blessingmethod.com/join, blessingmethod.com/join. And whether you just choose to do my program or not, my wish and my prayer for you is still get your systems in place. I'm a sales strategist. I have 36 years of business experience, and I'm telling you that is the main thing that is stopping people who have home-based businesses or who want to launch something, is not having their systems in place. All right, guys, I love you. Happy New Year. Let me know what your plans are.
Yeah. Say 45 minutes.
40. Baby, I'm still live. Say hello. I can't end my live.
I told you to pick the